Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, another reading na naman tayo today for Earth Signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, kamusta kayo dyan mga Earth Signs natin dyan, no? Anong meron sa mga Earth Signs natin right now, no? Kamusta kayo? Anong ganap sa mga Earth Signs natin? Current situation? Love reading tayo today for Earth Signs, no? Right, no? And of course, no, let's see anong motivational message ng inyong inner self, no? Anong kailangan yung marinig, no? Motivational, of course, no? And hindi nawawala message advice from the universe, no? Mga Earth Signs natin, right? No? So let's start with you, Taurus, no? So kamusta kayo dyan mga Taurus natin, right? So let's see what's the message or motivational message from your inner self, no? Mga Taurus natin, right? No? So kuha tayo ng one card here for you, Taurus. Yan. So, start tayo, no? Agad-agad para mabilis, right? No? So, let's see. What's the message from your inner self, no? Mga Taurus natin. So, you have this, no? Keep up the good work. No? So, sinasabihan ka ng inner self mo dito, no? Mga Taurus na you are doing the right, you are doing good, no? Or whatever you are doing. Yeah, di ba? So, keep up the good work, no? So, ituloy-tuloy mo lang ano tong mga ginagawa mo, or may sinisimulan ka ba, ituloy-tuloy mo lang kasi maganda yung nagiging resulta, right? No, kung may nagkakaroon ng doubt sa inyo dyan, no, wag mo raw gawin yun, no? Don't overthink, don't doubt yourself, of course, no, mga Taurus natin. So, sinasabi talaga ng iyong inner self here is, just keep up the good work, do whatever you want to do because may magandang resulta ang ginagawa ninyo, right? Mga Taurus natin, right? No? So, ayan ang message sa inyo ng inyong inner self, right? No? So, let's see ano naman no ang current situation ninyo no ng iyong person in your mind, right? No, so let's see. No, tingnan natin no ano bang characteristic no meron tayo rito right na tingnan natin kung sino yung makaka-resonate here no. So kukuha tayo dito ng mga some specific na characteristic para mas makaka-resonate kayo, right, no, sa mga Taurus natin, no, sa inyong person, no, sa inyong situationship, no, love situationship, of course, no. So, kuha tayo ng ano bang meron sa person ninyo, right, no. So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards, no, for you, Taurus, no, person on your mind, no. Let's see, ano bang meron sa person ninyo, right, no. Tingnan natin, ano bang physical looks, no, maybe. Kuha tayo. Let's see. For Taurus, no? Person on your mind. Let's see. Para mas specific, no? Mas makaka-resonate kayo. So, you have this, no? Tribal, no? So, maybe for some of you, nakikita ko rito, medyo may sabihin natin may ethnic style, no, something native, no, maybe, no, for some of you. No, maybe for some of you, no, may ganun siyang style, no, something, no, maybe sa pananamit niya or something na parang siya, no, very traditional din, no, for some of you, no. And again, no, vice versa, pwedeng ikaw tong nakukuha natin, right, no, or ang person mo, right, no. So just take what's resonating with you, no, mga Taurus natin. So meron nga tayo again, no, may tribal, so maybe yun nga, no, very traditional itong person na to, no. Hindi lang naman sabihin natin na siya, no, may pagka-oldies, no, kasi ang tribal, no, para mga ancient to, no, mga ancestors, right? No, so maybe may pagka-oldies itong person na to, very traditional siya, no, may mga sarili siya or may mga paniniwala siya na hindi modern, no, something like that, right? No, may pagka-oldies, no, something like that, no. Or maybe literal na parang yun nga may pagka-native, native, right? No, may dark skin, no, something like that. And what else? So, straight hair, no? So, maybe yun nga, no? For some of you, the person you are dealing with is may straight hair, no? Or ikaw, right? No? Just take what's resonate, no? Kung ikaw makaka-resonate ka na ikaw to, then this is your reading, right? No? So, meron ditong straight hair, no? May pagka-blonde rin, no? Literally, no, kung makikita ninyo. Or maybe for some of you, no, if you are the feminine na, nagpapareband, no, something like that, very stylish then, of course, rebanded hair, no, kasi straight, no, so what else, and nagha-highlights ng buhok, no, so, and then, 'di ba? Yun nga, 'di ba? Mahilig magkulay ng buhok. So nagta-try din ng iba't ibang kulay, right? No? So maybe mas ano to, no, mas applicable to sa babae, right? No? So maybe ikaw yun, kung ikaw tong babae, no, so maybe Taurus, no, ikaw tong nakukuha natin. So maybe isa yung reading to, right? No? So meron dito na talagang ma-experiment siya, no, ano siya sa mga kulay-kulay. So maybe regularly, no, nag-change ng color itong person na ito, right? No? So ayun yung mga characteristics ng person na nakita natin, right? Na may pagka-traditional, but then may pagka, sabihin natin, sa kanya namang style, no, ay modern naman siya, right? No? May pagka-sophisticated, no, sabihin natin conservative in a modern way, no, something like that, no. So maybe kayo nga ito, right? No, so let's see, no, what else, no, ano naman, no, pagdating diyan sa sitwasyon ninyo, no, the person on your mind, right? No, so let's see anong sitwasyon for you, Taurus, no. Kuha rin tayo ng 3 cards for you, Taurus, no, sitwasyon ninyo ng person on your mind. Let's see. Three cards for Taurus. Tingnan natin. So you have this, no, Page of Cups. So maybe for some of you, right, no, yeah, before we start, no, i-ano muna natin lahat ng cards, no. So you have this Page of Cups, Two of Cups, and then Knight of Wands. No, so for some of you, no, the person you are dealing with, no, are mga Taurus natin, right? No, this person is young. Mayroon siyang feelings for you, right? Or sabihin natin na with the Knight of Wands kasi to, ano siya, you know, very, ano to, you know, sabihin natin fun, outgoing person, right? No, kung makikita mo dito, no, adventurous, no, or experimental for some of you, right? No, with the Page of Cups here, right? No, maybe for some of you, no, the person you are dealing with mahilig magbigay ng mga gifts, no, something like that, no. So ang nakikita ko rito, right, no, mahilig siyang magbigay ng gifts, no, something na ayun yung way niya para ipakita niya na gusto niya kayo, or vice versa tayo, right? No, so ayan, no, this person, and then with the Two of Cups, no, yeah, meron siyang for some of you, no, if you are in a relationship with this person, right, is yan, no, nakikita niya na baga parang ang nakikita ko rito is gusto niya, may nagugustuhan or naggusto niya kayo, right? No, with the Two of Cups and the Page of Cups, right? No, parang gusto niya laging may ino-offer, may binibigay, no? Kung sino man itong person na ito, right? No, kumbaga eyes on eyes, no? Laging nakatingin, no? Something like that with the eyes, no? So ang nakikita ko rin dito for some of you, no, maybe this person likes your eyes, the way you look, no? Something like that, something in the eyes, no? Meron siyang kung ano man to, no, right? And then with the Page of Cups here, no, maybe for some of you, ay, yun nga, no, gusto niyang may ibigay sa inyo, no, something na, ano, or kung itong tao na to ay hindi pa man kayo magkarelasyon, no, marami siyang gustong i-offer, no, something na, para lang makuha niya yung loob mo, no, something like that, no, kung parang sabihin natin ini-hypnotize ka pa, right? No, or yan, no, parang hindi ka maalis sa kanyang isip or sa kanyang, yan, laging ikaw yung nakikita nitong person na ito, right? No, at marami siyang gustong gawin, marami siyang gustong ibigay, no, something like that. At with the Knight of Wands, no, marami din siyang sabihin natin na pwedeng punta ang lugar na gusto niya kasama kayo. No? Something like that, no? Mga Taurus natin. No? So, this person is kind of, very passionate with you. No? Something like that, no? This person. No? If you are still in, kumbaga parang kung parang nag-start pa lang no? For some of you, nag-i-start pa lang yung inyong relationship or going into relationship pa lang, no? For some of you ayun yung nakikita ko rito, right? No? Yan, no? Kumaga nagugustuhan or nagkakagusto or nagkakaroon ng feelings itong tao na ito sa inyo, no? Mga Taurus natin, no? At yan, no? Kapag, yun nga, no? Pag nag-uusap kayo, no? Lagi siya nakatingin sa mata, no? Maybe for some of you kasi gusto niya kung sincere ba, kumaga parang pag mag-uusap kayo, mata sa mata, no? Something like that, no? So, yan, no? It's a clue rin, no? For some of you, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? May very passionate tong person na to, yes. May gusto siya or hindi ko kasi medyo marami siyang gustong i-offer, no? But then, parang, kumbaga, parang nakikita ko rito, hindi niya pa nagagawa, no? Parang, naiisip pa lang niya, no? Naiisip pa lang niya itong mga bagay na ito na gusto niyang i-offer, gusto niyang bigyan ka ng regalo ng something, kung ano man ito, right, no? Or maybe for some of you, with the Page of Cups here, kung makikita mo, is meron siyang hawak na star, right? No? So, parang isa pang nakikita ko rito, napaka-responsible nitong tao na ito, right? No? For some of you Taurus, no, hindi lang kumaga gifts no, something stable, no? Parang gusto niyang magbigay ng stability rin, no, for some of you. Kasi with the fish, no, abundance yan, right? No? So, may malaki siyang gustong ibigay, no? Parang gusto niyang sabihin natin na, pwedeng sabihin natin parang pangkabuhayan no? Something like that, no? Pero sabihin natin literally, no, marami siyang kayang i-offer, no? Something like that, no? Maybe this person is, meron naman siyang maibubuga, no? That's why parang lahat pwede niyang ibigay, no? Something like that, no? With the fish kasi, abundance to, no? Kaya niyang magbigay ng, or mag-offer ng stability rin, no? For some of you, no? Mga Taurus natin, right? No? So, let's see what else, no? Pagdating naman, ano pang sitwasyon meron sa inyo, no? Mga Taurus natin, right? Kuha pa tayo ng 3 cards for you, Taurus. Tingnan pa natin ano pang meron. Sa person na ito, let's see. For Taurus, please. Ano pang meron sa person na ito? Please, for Taurus. So, you have this Justice, Queen of Swords in reverse, and then 6 of Wands in reverse. No, so, for some of you naman, no, ang nakikita ko rito, no, mga Taurus natin, no, with the Justice here, no, ang nakikita ko, gusto niya rin this person, no, you are dealing with is, wants really, no, parang gusto niya ng fairness din, no, sa relationship ninyo, no. But then kasi with the Queen of Swords in reverse, no, and the 6 of Wands in reverse, no, ang nakikita ko rito, no, yan, no, for some of you, hindi siya makalapit or hindi niya masabi, no, something like that, no, with the Queen, parang feeling ko kasi rito na i-intimidate siya, no, for some of you, right? No, this person is feeling something na parang yung marami siyang kayang i-offer, no? But then parang napapanghinaan ng loob, no, with the Queen of Swords in reverse, no? Nakikita niya na parang there is more, no? Kumbaga, kaya niya mag-offer ng, yan, no, stability nga, right? No? But ang nakikita niya kasi rito, right, is parang hindi mo na kasi kailangan. So, what more can this person can offer to you? No? Something like that. Nagko-question pa din siya, no, with the Queen of Swords in reverse. No? Nag-aalangan siya, no, kung tama bang mag-offer siya sa'yo, ito, bigyan ka ba niya ng ganito. Kasi parang hindi mo nga kailangan. No? So, parang para sa kanya, ita-turn down mo kasi, no? Something like that. No? So, napapanghinaan to ng loob, magsalita. Or, sabihin natin mag-confess, no? With the Six of Wands in reverse din, no? Parang feeling niya kasi is napakataas kasi ng tingin niya sa inyo na at siya dinadown niya yung sarili niya right? No? This person. No? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito na even though gusto niya ng fairness, no? But then, mismo sa sarili niya, no? Siya yung nagiging hindi fair, no? Sa kanyang sarili, right? No? Kasi dinadown niya yung sarili niya dito, right? No? Even though na talagang marami siyang kayang i-offer, no? But then, nai-intimidate siya sa inyo, no? Parang feeling niya kasi is, you don't need those, no, na kaya niyang i-offer, no? So, kasi parang you have everything na din, no, for this person, no? Ganun kanya tignan, no? Parang, lahat meron ka na, ano pa bang kaya kong i-offer sa'yo? Ano pa bang ma-offer ko sa'yo, right? No? With the justice here, no? Parang gusto niya kasi maging fair siya sa iyo, right? No? But then, hindi niya kaya, kung gusto niya pwedeng sabihin rin natin na magkapantay kayo, no? But then, kahit sabihin natin na parang level lang kayo, ka-level mo lang din siya, no? But then, siya mismo, parang nilo-lower niya yung sarili niya, right? Because nai-intimidate siya sa inyo, right? Na maybe for some of you, napakataas ng yung inyong personality, right? No? For some of you, no? Parang ang hirap niyong lapitan, ang hirap niyong i-approach, no? But then, no, ang nakikita ko rin dito with the Two of Cups here, right? No, is mutual kasi yung feelings, right? No? Both of you parehas kayo ng nararamdaman, no? Wala lang nagsasalita, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rin dito, no? Mga Taurus natin, right? No? So, yan, no? Mutual yung feelings, no? But then, kasi nga, walang nagsasabi, walang nag-i-start na to this conversation, right? So, maybe for some of you, right, no? May mga conversations here, no? With the Page of Cups, no? Nagkakaroon kayo ng usapan dito, no? But then, hindi nyo na-open yung sarili nyong emotion sa isa't isa, right? No? Dahil nagkakaroon ng nahihiya, no? Something like that. Or this person, maybe for some of you, naghihintay ka magsalita to, but then ang person na hinihintay mo, hindi niya kayang magbigay ng something or sabihin natin mag-confess because nai-intimidate nga siya sa inyo, right? No, nahihiya siya, no, for some of you, right? Kasi ang taas ng tingin niya sa inyo, no? At siya, ang baba ng tingin niya, no? Something na parang, kahit na parang magka-level lang naman kayo, no? Ang tingin niya napakataas, no? Ganun kanya tignan, no? Mataas yung tingin niya sa'yo at sarili niya yung dinadaw niya, no? Or vice versa, no? Maybe kayo naman ito, right? No? That's why hindi kayo mag-meet up. Yung bang mag-meet up yung inyong emotions, right? No, mga Taurus natin. So, what else, no? Tignan pa natin. No, ano pa ba? Bakit ba? Tignan pa natin. Ano pang meron, no? Sa inyo ng person na ito, right? Taurus, no? Let's see, no? Ano bang magiging outcome, no? Ng situationship na ito, no? For you, mga Taurus natin. Let's see. Saan pa ba patutungo ba ito? May patutunguhan ba? So you have this, no? Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Knight of Cups. And then the Star. No? So for some of you, no? Ang nakikita ko rito, right? No? Feeling kasi talaga ng tao na ito, right, is hindi enough yung kanyang resources, no? But then with the Knight of Cups and the Star here, no, ang nakikita ko rito mga Taurus is talagang gustong-gusto niya at with the Knight of Cups here, no, ang nakikita ko talaga rito, no, gusto niya mag-offer, no, but then kung makikita mo nakayuko yung kabayo, no, meron na siyang ano eh, kumbaga nagpa-plan na to eh, no, nagpa-plano siya, right, no, but then hindi siya makahakbang, no, something like that, no, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no, with the Queen of Pentacles in reverse, right, is feeling niya hindi enough yung kanyang resources to make an offer, no? This person, no? Kumaga talagang nahihiya siya, no? With the star, ikaw yung pinapangarap ng person na ito, no? You are his or her wish, no? Something like that, wish fulfillment, no? Ng this person, right? No? But then, meron talaga siyang plans, no? To move, to go, to have this, no? Offer, no? To give this offer to you, no? Ano no, but then hindi niya pa ginagawa, no? Something na parang pinag-iisipan pa lang niya, pinaplano pa lang niya, no? Wala pa, kasi nakikita ko rito hindi movement, eh. Wala pa siyang movement dito with the Knight of Cups here, no? Something na may gusto na siya, no? Meron na siyang may mga nabubuo ng plano, no? Paano niya i-open up sa inyo tong kanyang nararamdaman, no? Magko-confess, no? Something like that, right, no? At but then parang meron lang siyang doubt na baka yun nga i-reject mo because of financial, no, something like that. Baka nakikita niya kasi na parang you have everything na no, mga Taurus. That's why this person is really intimidated by you, no? So yeah, no, but then this person really likes you a lot, no? So with the Knight of Cups here, no? So let's see now what's the outcome, no? Yeah, no, maybe for some of you, you know, with the Knight of Cups here is, yeah, and the stars, and the star here, no, in the near future pa rin, no, once na parang ma-overcome niya itong kanyang, yeah, insecurities din, no, maybe, no, for some of you, dahil nga nai-intimidate siya, maybe marami din kayong mga suitors, no, aside from this person, no, or this person hindi pa siya nag-start na mag-confess, no? Something like that, no? But then, nakikita ko rito is talagang meron na siyang gagawin din, no? In the near future, no? Mga Taurus natin, no? Kasi alam ko naman, no, for some of you Taurus, no, hinihintay mo din tong person na ito, right, no? Hinihintay mo siyang magsabi sa inyo, right? No? Parehas kasi kayo, no? There is a mutual feelings, no? Mga Taurus natin. So, yan. So, let's see anong future outcome o anong future action nitong person na ito, right? No, kuha tayo ng one card for you, Taurus, no? Let's see anong gagawin niya in the near future, no, with this, no? Tingnan natin. So, you have this, no, Seven of Pentacles in reverse. No, sa talagang, kumbaga, ano eh, maybe in the near future pa, no, in the near future, wala pa talaga siyang gagawin. Nagkakaroon kasi siya ng problema right now, no, maybe, no, in the near future, no, magkakaroon ng losses itong person na ito, right, no, with the finances, no, kanyang financial, no, stability, no, parang magkakaroon ng problema for some of you, right? No, so ang nakikita ko rito, marami pa siyang kailangang ayusin, no, in the near future. But this person really likes you, has feelings for you, no, and both of you are mutual, have this mutual feelings, no, mga Taurus natin, no. Yeah, meron lang talaga to, something na parang meron lang siyang mga issues, no, with his or her finances, no, mga Taurus natin. So maybe ang nakikita ko in the near future is meron pa siyang mas marami pa siyang aasikasuhin, no. I-resolve na mga issues, no, financially, no, something like that, no. But then yun nga, kumbaga wala pa sa hindi pa niya magagawa ito, no, something like that kung ikaw ay naghihintay na. So maybe for some of you, no, just focus to yourself rin, no, mga Taurus natin, no, while waiting to this person, no. Kasi may mga inaasikaso pa itong tao na to in the near future, no. So hindi pa niya kaya talagang mag-offer ng ano no, even though maybe for some of you talaga magkakaroon ng losses ito no in the near future no, dadaan siya sa um, financial ano no, magkakaroon siya ng financial problem in the near future no. So kung kayo to maybe sabihin natin na if you are this na person na in the near future no, etong person na, nasa isip din yun no, maybe you can cheer this person up no. I mean kakailanganin niya yung iyong support, no, emotionally support, no, emotional support, no, something like that, no, or any, 'di ba, no, someone, no, kasi ang nakikita ko magkakaroon siya ng problema, no, financially. So maybe ikaw rin yung magiging kung nalalaman mo na, no, magkakaroon siya ng ganito financial problem in the near future, no, maybe ikaw yung makakapag-cheer up sa person na ito, right, no? Ikaw yung makakapagpagaan din ng kanyang mabigat na pinagdadaanan, no, in the near future, no? So maybe ganun pa lang yung magiging situationship ninyo, no? So maybe for some of you, no, if that's so, no, so just focus to yourself, no, in your growth then, of course, no? Ah, para magkaroon ka rin ng, ikaw mismo, no, magkaroon ka ng stability sa iyong sarili, right? No, so, habang itong person na to may mga inaayos, ikaw din, ayusin mo rin, no, to, ang iyong sarili, no, for some of you Taurus, right? No, while waiting. No, kasi ang nakikita ko rito is, mag-o-offer at mag-o-offer itong tao na to once na na-fix niya na yung mga finances ni financial issues niya no sa kanya no, something no, within his ano kung ano man ito, right, no, businessman, job man, no, maybe no, mawawalan ng trabaho, hihina ang business, no, so marami pa talaga siyang aasikasuhin, no, medyo malaki-laking losses yun nakikita ko rito kasi mga pinaghirapan niya ito, no, so dadaan sa matinding pagsubok itong person na ito, no, so from that no, kakailanganin niya ng someone na magsusupport sa kanya. I mean, hindi man financially, no? I mean, emotional, no? O ma-relief lang ba yung kanyang pinagdadaanan. Kailangan ng someone to lean on, no? Something like that. No? So, kayo na lang yung gagawa ninyo. No? Supportahan niyo siya emotionally, spiritually, no? Something like that, no? Mga Taurus natin, right? Now, so let's see what's the message, advice naman sa inyo ni universe, no, mga Taurus natin, right? No, so let's see. Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Taurus. So you have this, no, everything is possible, no? So sinasabi sa iyo dito ni universe ng mga Taurus is lahat, no, walang hindi imposible sa inyo, right? No, lahat kaya nyo maging posible, no? Kasi napaka-positive ninyong tao, right? No? Kaya sabi nga sa inyo ng inyong inner self is keep up the good work, right? No? Because you are doing a great job, no? Something like that, mga Taurus natin. So, whatever you are doing right now, no? Whatever you want, no? Ay magiging, magkakaroon ng sabihin natin, yung bang progreso, magkakaroon ng magandang resulta because you are this na believer, no, na nothing is impossible, no, something like that, right? No, so and tama yun, right? No, and being positive always is yun nga, no, naniniwala ka na hindi imposible lahat basta gugustuhin mo at you will work hard for it, no, something like that, right? No, mga Taurus natin. So yeah, no, keep up the good work and yeah, sabi ni universe is everything is possible. So just manifest and do the job, no? Do the work, no, for this. And lahat ng gugustuhin mo, makukuha at makukuha mo, no? Maa-achieve ninyo, mga Taurus natin, right? No? So yeah, that's it for you, mga Taurus natin. So I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today, mga Taurus natin. So yeah, that's it. God bless you all and thank you for watching, Taurus.